When Socrates said, "All I know is that I know nothing," do you think he was really saying he doesn't believe anything until he can prove it?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'll always remember the 30-yard equaliser he scored against Russia in '82. Went past two defenders, absolutely larruped him, kicked him. It's on YouTube.
Don't get caught out. Smart up with bite-sized guides to philosophy, Shakespeare, history and more in the How to Be Smarter series. Every day